Kia driven by innovation. Kia has come a long way. What was once a humble car maker is now a global powerhouse. Kia is known for its commitment to quality, design, and performance. The 2024 sedan lineup is a testament to this dedication. From the sleek K5 to the sporty Forte and the powerful Stinger, there's a Kia sedan for everyone. The Kia K5 is a head-turner. With its sleek lines and dynamic stance, it captures attention wherever it goes. The bold front grille and sharp LED headlights give it a distinctive look that sets it apart from other sedans on the road. Its bold design is sure to make a statement. The aerodynamic shape not only enhances its visual appeal, but also improves fuel efficiency. The sporty design elements, such as the sculpted hood and aggressive rear, add to its commanding presence. But the K5 is more than just a pretty face. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's both luxurious and functional. The driver-centric cockpit is designed to keep everything within easy reach, making your driving experience more enjoyable. It's packed with advanced technology. The high-resolution touchscreen display is the centerpiece of the dashboard, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The digital controls are intuitive and responsive, ensuring you stay focused on the road. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use. With features like voice recognition and customizable home screens, you can tailor the system to your preferences. Whether you're streaming music, making hands-free calls, or accessing your favorite apps, the K5 keeps you connected. You'll stay connected on the go with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These features allow you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the car's infotainment system, giving you access to your contacts, messages, and apps without taking your eyes off the road. And with a suite of safety features, you can drive with peace of mind. The K5 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies work together to help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. The K5 offers a comfortable and refined ride. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a smooth and stable driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the K5 delivers a ride that's both comfortable and enjoyable. The suspension soaks up bumps in the road. This means you can drive over rough surfaces without feeling every jolt and vibration. The K5 suspension system is designed to provide a balanced ride, ensuring comfort for both the driver and passengers. The cabin is quiet and spacious. Sound insulating materials and advanced engineering techniques have been used to minimize road noise, creating a serene environment inside the car. The spacious interior offers ample room for passengers to stretch out and relax. You'll enjoy plenty of legroom and headroom, even in the back seat. The K5's interior is designed to maximize space and comfort, making it an ideal choice for long journeys. Rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a road trip, the K5 is ready for anything. Its versatile design and advanced features make it a perfect companion for any journey. With ample cargo space and convenient storage solutions, you can pack everything you need for your next adventure. The Kia K5 combines style, technology, and comfort, making it a standout choice in the sedan market. Don't let its size fool you. The Kia Forte may be compact, but it packs a punch in every aspect. From its sleek exterior design to its robust performance, this car is designed to impress. Whether you're navigating the bustling city streets or cruising down the open highway, the Forte is built to handle it all with ease and style. The Kia Forte is big on features and fun to drive. Its agile handling and responsive steering make it a joy to maneuver through tight city corners and busy intersections. The compact size means parking is a breeze, even in the most crowded urban areas, but don't be fooled by its small footprint. The Forte offers a surprisingly spacious interior that comfortably accommodates both driver and passengers. It's perfect for navigating city streets. The advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist and forward collision warning, provide peace of mind as you drive through traffic. The Forte's efficient fuel economy ensures that you can go further on a single tank, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. But it's also comfortable on the open road. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb bumps and provide a smooth ride, whether you're on a scenic mountain road or a long stretch of highway. The quiet cabin minimizes road noise, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music or have a conversation without raising your voice. The Forte offers a choice of engines. You can select the efficient base engine, which provides excellent fuel economy and is perfect for everyday driving. For those who crave a bit more excitement, the turbocharged engine delivers a burst of power that makes acceleration effortless and driving more exhilarating. You can go for the efficient base engine. This option is designed to maximize fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. It's ideal for those who want to save on fuel costs while still enjoying a dynamic driving experience. Or choose the turbocharged engine for more power. This engine option transforms the Forte into a sporty performer with quick acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. It's perfect for those who want a bit more excitement on their daily drives or weekend adventures. Inside, the Forte is stylish and practical. The interior design is modern and thoughtfully laid out, with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The dashboard is intuitive, with all controls within easy reach, making it simple to adjust settings while keeping your eyes on the road. The seats are supportive and comfortable. Whether you're on a short trip across town or a long journey, the seats are designed to provide maximum comfort. The driver's seat is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect driving position, and the rear seats offer ample legroom for passengers. The infotainment system is easy to use. The touchscreen display is responsive and features a user-friendly interface. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you can easily connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps, music, and navigation. And with its affordable price tag, the Forte is a great value. It offers a range of features typically found in more expensive vehicles, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Forte provides a perfect balance of quality, performance, and affordability. It's the perfect car for first-time buyers and seasoned drivers alike. Whether you're a young professional looking for a reliable daily driver, a family in need of a versatile vehicle, or an experienced driver seeking a car that offers both comfort and performance, the Kia Forte has something to offer everyone. Its blend of practicality, style, and value makes it a standout choice in the compact car segment. The Kia Stinger is a game-changer. It's a sports sedan that can go toe-to-toe with the best of them. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful turbocharged engine. It delivers exhilarating acceleration. The Stinger handles like a dream. It hugs corners with precision, and the brakes are strong and responsive. But the Stinger isn't all about performance. It's also luxurious and refined. The interior is appointed with high-quality materials. The seats are comfortable and supportive. And the infotainment system is top-notch. The Stinger is the total package. It's a car that you can enjoy every day. Section 5: Kia's evolution from humble beginnings to industry leader. Kia has come a long way in a short time. The brand has undergone a remarkable transformation. It all started with a focus on value. Kia built cars that were affordable and reliable. But over time, Kia raised its game. The brand invested heavily in design, technology, and performance. Today, Kia is known for producing cars that are stylish, innovative, and fun to drive. The brand has won numerous awards for its vehicles, and Kia continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry. Section 6: Choosing your perfect Kia sedan. With so many great sedans to choose from, how do you pick the right one? Kia offers a diverse lineup of sedans, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a city dweller, or a performance junkie, there's a Kia sedan that's perfect for you. It all comes down to your needs and lifestyle. Are you looking for a car that offers the latest in technology and style? Or perhaps you need something compact and efficient for city driving. Maybe you're after a high-performance vehicle that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Understanding what you need from your car is the first step in making the right choice. If you're looking for a stylish and tech-savvy sedan, the K5 is a great choice. The Kia K5 stands out with its sleek design and advanced technology features. From its bold exterior to its high-tech interior, the K5 is designed to impress. It comes equipped with features like a panoramic sunroof, a 10.25-inch touchscreen display, and advanced driver assistance systems. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend getaway, the K5 offers a comfortable and connected driving experience. If you need something compact and capable, the Forte is a perfect fit. The Kia Forte is ideal for those who need a reliable and efficient car for everyday use. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city streets and park in tight spaces. Despite its smaller footprint, the Forte doesn't compromise on features. It offers a spacious interior, a user-friendly infotainment system, and excellent fuel efficiency. The Forte is a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable and economical sedan. And if you're looking for a sports sedan that doesn't compromise, the Stinger is the way to go. The Kia Stinger is designed for those who crave performance and style. With its powerful engine options and dynamic handling, the Stinger delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Its sporty design is complemented by a luxurious interior, featuring premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're on the highway or the racetrack, the Stinger offers a thrilling ride that doesn't sacrifice comfort or practicality. No matter which Kia sedan you choose, you can be confident that you're getting a great car. Kia sedans are designed with the driver in mind, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. Each model is built to the highest standards of quality and reliability, ensuring that you can enjoy your car for years to come. Whether you're driving to work, running errands, or embarking on a road trip, a Kia sedan is a dependable companion. Kia sedans are known for their quality, reliability, and value. When you choose a Kia, you're choosing a brand that prioritizes customer satisfaction and builds cars that stand the test of time. From the materials used in the construction to the rigorous testing each vehicle undergoes, Kia ensures that every sedan meets the highest standards of excellence. This commitment to quality is reflected in the positive reviews and high ratings from both customers and automotive experts. And with Kia's industry-leading warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Kia offers one of the best warranties in the industry, providing coverage that goes above and beyond. This includes a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year 60,000-mile basic warranty, and a 5-year 100,000-mile anti-perforation warranty. With such comprehensive coverage, you can be confident that your investment is protected. Whether you're buying a new or certified pre-owned Kia sedan, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're covered. Section 7. Experience the Kia difference. The best way to experience the Kia difference is to get behind the wheel. Visit your local Kia dealer and take a test drive today. You'll be impressed by the quality, performance, and value of Kia sedans. Kia offers a range of financing options to fit your budget. And with Kia's award-winning customer service, you can be sure that you'll be taken care of. Section 8. Conclusion: the future of driving is here. Kia is leading the way in the automotive industry. With its commitment to innovation, design, and performance, Kia is creating cars that are changing the way we think about driving. The 2024 sedan lineup is a testament to Kia's vision for the future. Get behind the wheel of a Kia sedan today and experience the future of driving.